The characteristic features of the IEEE 802.11n's wireless standard include which of the following here? Well, we've gone over A and B previously, alpha and beta, with alpha having a frequency of 5.0 gigahertz, and then the B having a 2.4 gigahertz. The 5.0, or the A, also has a 54 megabits per second transfer, maximum data signal speed, and then the beta has a 11 megabits per second max signaling rate. So what about N? Well, N is kind of a combination of the two. Just think about that, right? An N is like an A and a B without the stem, and then without the bottom part. It's a combination of the two and also adds a few more new features. So, combination of the two, let's start with frequency. I always do. That's the first thing that's combined. It uses both a 2.4 gigahertz frequency band and 5.0 gigahertz frequency band. It's newer, so think about recently, you can have the same SSID or the same Wi-Fi name for a 5 and 2.4 gigahertz frequency. You can connect to it, and your device will manage which frequency it's on. Let's talk about the data signaling rate. Remember, 54 megabits per second is for A, so the only other one we have here is 600 megabits per second. Flat 600 megabits per second is for N. That's how fast it is. It's faster, way faster. And then we have multiple input, multiple output, or multiple user, multiple input, multiple output. Well, 802.11 is just introducing some new features. So we're just introducing multiple input, multiple output, nothing crazy. That'll be actually introduced later. But the characteristic features for our 802.11n wireless standard is 2.4 gigahertz frequency band, 5.0 gigahertz frequency band, with a max data signaling rate of 600 megabits per second, and then we also have a multiple input, multiple output being introduced.